Hey everyone, it's Modern Day Trading with some live footage from November 9th, 2016. I started the video a little bit late. It was pretty chaotic this morning after Trump won. The market's moving like crazy, so I forgot to turn on the video at first. So this is where I started it. I just bought RGR right here. And I bought it because it was pretty tight, looked like I wanted to break out, and the Symphony trade SWHC also guns started moving higher, so bought 300 shares of RGR. I got filled at 56.50 and my stop would be at 56.45. This is one of the new nickel spread stocks. I'm not a big fan of that. And I also had a trade on Pfizer. So pretty much the market is very volatile after Trump won. A lot of trading opportunities, so it's gonna look a little messy. I'm just constantly looking for other trades, and it might not be as clear, but I'll show you what I can show you guys. So Pfizer, I bought it at the bottom and popped up pretty quick, so I'm just taking little prints. Bought some steel. Pretty much I'm just trading the stocks that have a pretty big gap and buying it or shorting them, giving it a pretty tight out, and hoping that I either just get stopped out for a quick loss or it starts to trend and move big, because a lot of things are moving right now. So steel looks like it's probably gonna break. Stop me out. Alright, just got stopped out of steel X. RGR, I'm just checking the other gun stocks to see if they're going up, and I'm just holding RGR. So I originally had 300 shares and I took out 100 shares for about 1 point. And RGR looks like it's having a hard time breaking this 57.70. So I'm preparing to sell some more. So EWW, another stock that's getting destroyed after Trump won, so looking to short this. Just broke underneath 48 and I'm putting an order to get filled. Alright, so I got filled right there, just 300 shares, and I put my stop above 48.01. RGR, it's having a hard time breaking it, so, and it's really spready, so I'm gonna just start taking some more off. Less optimistic about this going to break this 57.70. So I took off another 100 shares of RGR. EWW just wicked up, stopped me out for a small loss. Area's hitting this resistance at the whole number, so I just shorted it at 10.98 and I stopped at 11.01. And I just shorted a little bit more on the break of 98, so got 1,500 shares. 3 to 4 cent out. I'm pretty much just seeing the sector, and it seems like biotech's going down a little bit, so I'm trying to start shorting all these consolidations. Area just shot down, nice little 25 cents, covered a little bit. Covered a little bit more. Looks like Amgen's gonna stop me out. Put my stop above the candle highs. Yeah, Amgen just stopped me out. RGR is coming back too. So SWHC, see this pretty big bid, so I just bought in front of it 1,000 at 25.54, and I have my stop at 25.49. But I'm probably just gonna hit out of it before it hits my stop. Area's not really doing too much. It's not going as down as much as I wanted or thought. Pfizer just broke the whole number. Same thing. Just trying to short, get in and put really tight outs. Hopefully it just works or doesn't work. So there I just got stopped out of Pfizer. SWHC looks like it's gonna not bounce from this big bid spot. I just bought some Facebook, and I put my stop below the whole number. Got stopped out of Facebook. Another small loss. SWHC also doesn't look too good. I just checked RGR. So pretty much just peaked at RGR. My last 50 shares that I sold for break even, and I started heading down. So gave me an idea to sell my SWHC and flip and put my order short. So right now I have orders to short 500 shares below 25.50, and I also threw an offer at 50 and I got filled there. So now I have 1,000 shares of SWHC and I put my stop at 25.51. Same concept as I've been doing all day so far. Just trying to get in with good size, tight outs, and hopefully it just works in my direction with the volatility this market has today. So looking pretty good right now. Nice 40 cent, 30 cent drop so far. And I'm just covering along the way, just taking little pieces out. I do admit I took my profits a little too quick on most of my trades, but it's something I'm trying to work on. Better to learn while making some money. So that was a pretty much straight 50 cent drop after the big bid broke. Areas shorted early, it doesn't seem like it's doing anything, so I'm just starting to give up on it and constantly taking profits, covering my area short every time it doesn't seem to be making a new low in previous candles at least. Shorted some X on the breakdown of that support. Got a pretty bad price. I just got stopped at X. Okay, so that's pretty much covered most of my SWHC. Area, I'm pretty much giving up on it. So Facebook, just bought it again. Pretty much every time it goes towards a whole number, it hesitates there. I'm going with the momentum. And this time it's long, just shot up a good amount. So long Facebook with a stop 2 cents below the whole number. Got stopped out of Facebook. And I rebought it. This is one of those days where I don't mind as much trading kind of bad setups and over trading, because just things are moving a lot. So it's actually a not too difficult to make some money as long as I just keep trading, even with some bad trades. So here's again Facebook. Had to re-enter it, and it's starting to move higher. Held the whole number, not exactly, printed a cent or two below. Had to get back in, and now it looks like it's gonna shoot up. Took 50 shares off. Pretty much just constantly checking the SPY and see if the SPY is still moving up, trending higher, trending lower. I'm using that as my decision to make my decisions on how to take prints. So there, SWAC, you saw my last 50 shares, I just took it off. And Facebook's starting to rocket up. Nice big move up. So these are just what I'm trying to catch today. Find this pretty much any break of a whole number, holding a whole number. Well, that's where it tends to consolidate near. And I'm just trying to get in, pick a side, tie it out, and hopefully just play the RR, the risk to reward game. Risk a couple cents, make 30, 50, 1 point maybe, with the market giving me that. So I just started taking off a lot of profit off Facebook right now. Only have 200 shares left. And I'm probably just going to trail it out at some spot. Alright, there. Got out of that area. Got out of area as well. See, Mylan has some resistance at 39.20. So I shorted it and stopped right at 39.21. Alright, just got stopped out and I just flipped Mylan long now above 39.20 with my stop 1 cent below. So pretty much the same trade I just did before, but the opposite. Because I think that 39.20 was pretty much a point where something should either fade from that spot or break out from that spot. And it doesn't look like it right now. So this is probably my last trade. I just got stopped. So I just did some couple bad trades in a row. I'm just going to take a little break for now. So there you have it. Up $1,100 at 11. I know these trades are a little bit messy and it's going to be like that when I'm constantly looking for other trades, but I still put out these videos hopefully so you guys can get an idea of what I'm doing. Alright, thanks for watching everyone.